summer is over and I gotta get this family back on track. Not only for our homeschool days that we're gonna be starting literally tomorrow, but I need to hype myself up because fall is coming, okay? We have field trips planned. We have so many things planned. Comp season's around the corner. I gotta hype myself up and get ready and get in the zone so that I could plan a full week of homeschool. That's not even all of it. I did end up just picking my own curriculums again this year for school. So I ended up going with Foundations of Logic for English. I'm going to finish using the Horizon books as well for English. And then I'm waiting on her Singapore math book to come in at the moment. So just planning and ripping out pages for the upcoming week. I absolutely love this breakfast. My favorite thing ever. A rice cake, some yogurt, and a Sun Golden Kiwi. Best way to start your day. But look how cute my new water bottle is. We're dressed and ready to go.
What's a promotion?
Basically the little program that Nisea does homeschool with, they are having like an open house day. So we're gonna go look at the classes and see what's gonna fit best in our schedule. She really wants to do science, but I have a whole science curriculum, so I don't know about that. I was really interested in the Spanish program. I wanted to look into a little bit more. And yeah, we're just out and about today, and I figured that I would take you for our last day of summer. We're gonna go back to school shopping. You guys seen me put her weekly school
Planner together.
Yeah, the school planner together for next week. I'm almost done. Got a few more stuff to do, but yeah, we're out. I showed you a clip of my water bottle because look at how cute. It literally says Aaliyah without saying Aaliyah. If Aaliyah was a water bottle. Yes, it is. That's not good. I couldn't do it. This is Micah and this is Nisea. Sister got me a gift. She was like, I got you this. First of all, how nice of her to be thinking of me while she's out school shopping for herself. Look how cute this little wallet is. She was like, I know mom took yours, so she got me this one.
Oh, that's what she said?
Yeah. So cute. It's okay, it's Coach and I'm wearing Michael Kors right now, but it could work. 5 and below. 5 and below. 5 and below. Yeah.
Count how many times she flips off the camera, guys.
Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tarjay.
Can you just pose for a second?
Okay, so we did get a bunch of stuff and I did want to show you, but only a few things because it was like honestly crazy how much I got. But I got these on sale for the first day of school. They're the streamers, the back to school streamers. Every year I always get this color it in tablecloth. So I got that again. And then the only other thing that I got was, oh, and I got paper plates. I got notebook paper plates. Where did they go? I don't know. But I got these little napkins also for the first day of school. And then I upgraded to a clear one for my desk to match this one, which is great because I was able to use this one for like basically what we're going to be doing on a daily. What book we're going to read, what book we're reading, all of that. How cute is my new little teacher cup? So excited about this. My chais are going to taste so good out of here. And they say I got a new water bottle for school. She went with a Walla. Her favorite color is blue. Of course, we got Play-Doh. Some more glue sticks. We're back outside. We went on a walk. Tomorrow's the first day of school, so it's just another prep day. I have so much hair to do. But we went on a walk first, and we found these little archery like things. I don't know. Super cute. But we're gonna go on a walk and enjoy our last day of summer. No? Let me see your outfit. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Wanna play
No, it's target practice. You don't run over there. It's not allowed. This is literally what it's called to live like a good and happy and fulfilled life. It's literally just do things with your family. I promise you, you'll feel so much better. Just feels like happy. Like, just don't sit in your house and expect the happiness to come to you. You have to go out and like create the happiness, which I've really realized, especially like being a mom. You have to create their magic. You have to create their happiness, and then in turn, it creates so much happiness and magic for you. She's got a roly-poly. We're waiting for it to open. But every time she opens, she freaks out. Come on, Roly. Come on, Roly, open.
Here, put on the ground.
Okay. Oh, is that her opening?
Yeah.
Hi, Roly. Okay, help her get to her legs.
It's okay. Oh, man.
It's like a little crab. We're trying to help you sit up. Oh, gosh. There you go. Where'd it go?
He's going to my water bottle. Wait, get on my water bottle. Come on.
Careful, so you don't
Can you
smash
put it
her.
in my water bottle?
No.
On.
Oh, she's in the crack. I love where we live because we do have really pretty scenery. And we're not that far from a beach if we really want to go. Go, girl. Go, girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. I kind of did want to talk to you guys on this walk. I was going to make a whole video of like the 5 new things that I'm doing, which are 1, take a walk every single day. We're on that right now. Hello. 2, journal every single day. Even if it's just one word, like I'm not pushing anything. I'm just opening my book and writing whatever's on the top of my head when I wake up in the morning, or whatever I feel like I need to unload at night. So 3 for me is going to be get ready every single day. I literally am in a gym 24/7, so that makes me feel like I can just not care about what I look like. But we're not doing that anymore because I get lost in that and then I feel bad about myself. So getting ready every single day. My other one is going to be tracking my money every single day because I just realized that not knowing and watching your money only leads to more missed money, okay? And I don't want any more of that, okay? So I just want to be better at tracking my money and my spendings and my intake and everything. I've been doing it for this year, like pretty consistently, but I want to make sure that I'm doing it every single day. So that's my 4. And then my other thing was my PM to AM routine. I have a video all on what my PM to AM routine looked like before, but now it's going to be completely different. So you have to watch that soon too. I have it down to those 5 things that I'm going to be doing for the end of this year. I obviously have other goals and things that I'm tracking work-wise and stuff like that, but these 5 things are going to be my 5 like non-negotiables. I do not care what day it is, how I'm feeling, what's going on. It's like, these 5 things are the least I could do for myself. It's like brushing my teeth every day at this point. Oh. This day is school to start tomorrow, so it's perfect timing. Why are y'all so damn loud? These and see what the hell is going on. I got the teacher's guides instead of the at-home guides because I watched a bunch of TikToks and a bunch of the parents were saying that the teacher guides were more like clear and obvious versus the home study guide because it gives it to teach to a bunch of kids. So the wording is like more broad, I guess. So I ended up going with the teacher guides instead of the homeschool guide. I put a chai in my cup and it literally, I don't even have enough chai to fill the cup. That's how big this cup is. This will be probably my one and only chai in this cup because it needs to be a water cup. Like, let's be for real. It's too big to be anything else. No one needs that much drink. But it's so good. You want some?
Yeah.
He's the only person in my whole entire family who likes my chai, so I guess it's nice to share. Gotta braid his hair right now. We just got Nisei's math books in, so I'm gonna sit down and like put that into the lesson plan so I'm not like behind tomorrow, and then I'm gonna start Micah's hair.
Just one more sec.
Turn to mama. Say cheese.
Just say cheese without all the wiggling. Hey, she wants to see your hair. Show your hair in a circle. Go slowly in a circle. Good job. Set.
No.
This is what we ended our classroom looking like. Nisei is already up, ready for her first day of school. But I just got this little tablecloth from Target, some plates, and then a little teacher book for the table. We're going to start the morning off there. Let me see. Turn around. In my first grade era. Now look at mama. My artwork.
Yes, but I want to rip it off.
So I ended up grabbing, or I ordered that a few days ago, Nisei's first day of first grade. And I went and got it this morning, and we took a few pictures in here, so it's good. But we're about to go out and take some more back to school pictures, like at a park. But yeah, they started coloring already.
I do that for Mom. Mom, I do that for.
That's a calculator. Can you say calculator? Okay, bye.
It's a calculator.
Have our skip counting, our little friend, a nice whiteboard. These are all the books and curriculums that I'm going to be using every single day. These are our teacher planners. We read this book already, A Letter from Your Teacher. Calendars, and then each of the kids have a binder as well. These are going to be our sight words that we're learning. And then these cards are just ones that she can grab and use if she needs them. Like the things that she's going to be learning, basically.
Those ones have to stay up there.
Yeah, the ones that are on the wall stay up there. These are, we already did our review, so we went over our emotions, classroom rules, the alphabet, month of the year, days of the week, and good manners so far. We looked at our calendar, we know the date.